Uh, Hello guys, welcome to the development of a guessing game using a JOptionPane option that is for graphical user interface applications in Java programming. Now in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you on how we can develop it. At first, I'm using Java Eclipse. Download it from eclipse.org and follow the procedures of installing. You install it, then come for the tutorial, and here we go. Now in this guessing game we're gonna have 3 classes, and all of them they're going to be stored in one package. So let us start with just creating a package first. I go to Eclipse, new package. I call it maybe guess, finish. Now you see I've created this one. Now inside this one, this is where I'm gonna develop my 3 classes of developing the game. So the first, I go to here to my package name, I right click it, I go to, this is a Java application, so we go as a Java project. So Java project, we name our project name. The first name I'm gonna use guess game, and then we click finish. You have the first one. If you click it here, you double click another one. Oh, I made a mistake here. So new class, not a Java project, we not yet there. So this one I go to guess game. Now that is the first class. The second class is I right click on the guess package, new Java class, and I call it player. The third one I'm gonna use is the guess game. That is the game launcher class for the game launcher. Game launcher. Yeah, this is where we're gonna run our program, so we can mark the public static main function here. Now you see we've started our game. In this, you see now we've developed 3 classes here. So in this main function, we can test if it can work by just running a simple program first before we move to test if things are working well. So system dot out dot print sanging, that's why it's an error. Print Java is case sensitive. Print line hello world. Close it using that. Inject the error. See, there's an error here. Print ln. No, what's the error in this? Multiple markup of this line. system.out.elements. No, trying. Print line. Let's not concentrating this one. Go direct to our program. So I start coding in. Let's start even from the guess game here, from the start point. You see, the package name is the same for all the classes I've created. We go deeper in this. I want to import some classes here. So import Java .swing dot again. This one is supposed to be Java X. Import Java .util. I just import all of them because I don't want to import like each and every time. And then now we initialize some few variables here. The first variable, the program is the guess game. Now first I gonna initialize some variables: private, static, final int. Yes. Option is equal to 0. And then we'll come here later for initializing. Okay, just giving an object of our main program, the main program for the player. But let's concentrate in this first. Okay, I'm gonna start creating the function of which we're going to get the guessing number that the user will insert, or else if the user doesn't insert that value, then the output is no, the user was wrong. Then the system can give out the result. Now let's go public void start game. Is our function for creating the guessing game. And then we have the int guess at 0, and then we have the boolean. This one we're gonna use it in checking if the user gave the right value. After we initialize up here the object player, you'll see it later. So let I just call it player P. Yeah. Now boolean P is right. It's equal to false, since first we don't know what the user entered. Now, and the target number, we need to generate the target number. Int target num is equal to, these are Ethiopian integers, so int use the math random function, math dot random, and then multiply by 10. Then now we prompt the user to come and Now the user can try to guess an value between 0 and 10, meaning these are the values between 0 and 10. We just give the numbers. So I use JOption, JOptionPane dot show message dialog. So now here we can put the first one to be the second is a string. We can write we can give the user an option here. So try guess a number between 0 and 9. Seems there is an error. Okay. Oh, it was fixed by Java. So now the next option. Now what we do in this stage, we go to the next for the player function. Now this is where the player is going to be asked some questions. So now you'll input the data. Now in this one also we need to import, or else you can just go here and copy this lazy. Try to type next round. Then we see we have our class player, and now inside the player we need some few values. But first I need I declare some values. Integer num is equal to 0. The first value, since the users know as enter nothing, and then I int count. This is gonna count on how many times the user will enter the values. Now after declaring the variables, oh, I messed up here. Okay, now we create a function for guessing, that is for the user to guess, and insert a value public void guess. For this one, now we need to tell the user to enter number. Okay, you can just even comment for the reader and can understand your code. The user enter a value, and then now we check if the user has entered the value. Then we need to process the program. So I check while. I'll use the while loop. While true, since if it is false, the program won't work. But if it is true, let's remove this bracket. It has an error. So first of all, we cut the count has to increase. During the counting, after it is increasing, we limit the user size that he will enter only 3 eyes. The second and the fourth round, the user is given an option of either selecting to start again, but the user is told the game is over. He didn't get successfully to win the game. So in this one, I need the user to enter value here to check out if this is working. So I use a string number equal to J option pen show inputs dialog, and now we can enter message in here. users enter the number, we need to check if either the users entered a number or not. In checking that, first of all we need to check if the user entered the number or not, or the user just clicked the submit button without entering a number. So we check that one first. So in this I use the if statement here, if bracket in this number dot is empty, we print something out here to tell the user he or she has not entered a value to be processed to guess the game. So JOptionPane dot show message dialog. Now the message here. Oops. You must enter a value. And then we break here, we exit our program. And then, or else, if the users enter the value, now we go out and process the value. So we use the else condition now here. Now in this, when the users enter the value, we process the value, but first you see here we used a string to catch the input of the user. So we need first of all to convert the string value to be an integer such that we compare against the value of the target number that was generated by our system. So in this one, let's use this function here, the try function. So in this, and then I like using the try because it can catch errors very well. It is good in error handling. Else, now for this one, it can check if it's a number or not. Else, if it is not a number, then it can give us an error here. So number formats. Exception error here. Then I can catch the error here. J option pen dot show message. We can tap the field enter. You see it has given us the values, and also it's not a must, we can type everything here, and then we replace this message with our own. So we print the value here, only values are allowed. Please care. So we jump out of the program after printing the message to the screen of the user. Let's give some space here. So I break out of the program, then I exit. So let's go back here and process now what the user entered. Now we need to convert the value here for this or for whatever the user entered inside for the guess. Now in this use the now value that we declared up here. See this here now, you can see when it is highlighted very well. So now is equal to integer dot pass int and using an option that this must be a string so that it's going to be converted to an integer. And then after checking that we've converted the value to be an integer, now we need to check if the user entered the value. Now in this one I need to check if the value that the user entered, if it is more than 9, we give an error because we don't need the user to enter value between beyond 9 and above. So if it's greater than 9, we need to echo a message here. So we type JOptionPane dot show message dialog, and this one is of course this one we can make a message there. So the number you entered is greater than the allowed values. Please select only values allowed. Cancel here to a new line so that it can be good and readable. Let's say handle it way. Sorry. The number you entered is greater than the allowed values. And other than that, after the error has been detected, we break out of the program, we exit out of the program, that is. So break, then that is it on this part. Now remember we didn't exit our while loop here, so we need to exit because it's gonna be true everywhere, and then we need to go out of it so that or else it will run forever. Now in this, here's it, the while loop. Yeah. So break out of it, we exit out of it, and the value entered has been processed here. Yes. So the program in the class, it is checked fully done. Now we go back to the guessing game. This is where we're gonna call a program, and we're gonna test compare against this generated value here, the target number. Now in this target number, in this program, we need some values, of course, here, and we need also to check now the two, if the values, the target number and the number that was entered by the user has been guessed, and it's going to be processed. Now we check whether the value has been entered. So true. Now we need to process now the guessing game here. After the user entered the value will be processed. Now I use the object P that I created, so immediately I put a dot. You see, we have some pop-ups here, so meaning we can decide to get functions from other classes, and you see we have the guess value from the class player, and if I click it, you see it accepted it, since we have an object of the class player here. Hope you're getting. So in this after we've gotten this value, now we need to assign it to the number that was entered by the user. So guess P is equal to P dot none. You see, it is coming from the player class. Oh, wonderful, awesome, huh? And now, after we've assigned the value here, I need to check where the error is. I don't think if there is an error in this. That might be the problem. Let's see. Guess P cannot be resolved to be a variable. I can decide to rename my form object to be P1. Yeah. After putting that, still there is this error. Hold up. Might be the problem. Let's just continue. Check it. We check on it later. So we check if the guess value is equal to the target number, then we return to be true. So also there is somewhere here P, it has to be 1. So we check the value after we've assigned it here. This one is now communicating with the game. This is very important, or else the game will not work. Now we need to test it, whether it is true. We return the P1 is right. It's not capital. One is right. So that's true. And then in this we need to check inside here. Guess P1 is equal to target is no, in this part we are done. And now if this one is true, or else it will be false. Here we assigned it to be false at first, but if it has been returned to be true, we need to check also that one. So if it is P1 is right, meaning after the file has been processed and it is equal to the target number, we check now it's returned to be true, and now we check the value if it is returned to be true. So in this, if it's okay, then we just show a success message here. JOptionPane will show message yellow. First value is null, second one is this, also this one. We can put something anything like that. Wonderful, somewhat fitting result. We have a new line. You chose rights value, and then we can even give the user the exact value that that was successful. So here we concatenate using a post plus sign. So and the value you entered is for this one, so you can put a colon there, and then we need to see the progress of this. So concatenate here, go to this string, so p1 is rights. Then we can echo another average here using a new line. Congratulations. After that is guessing if I use successfully and it worked. Now since it worked, so we exit the program. That's a success. Right, this is what you need also to check on, or else if it was not successful, the file was wrong, you need to check other things here. Else give the user the gamer sorry message. That is, just tell the user to repeat again the programs. Yes, it didn't work successfully. So we use the JOptionPane show message dialog. So this one, and also this one here. We just tell the user sorry message. Sorry. Guess failed. Please try again. And then now in this Also we need to check other things here. We need to check how many times did the user enter the value. If it is more than 3 times, now here the gameplay breaks. So let's go into checking also this one. So if now before the if statement, we need to declare a variable here to call the variable that was here for the count. You see, we started the counting here in the player class. So in this here, let's do counts is equal to p1 dot counts. You see, it's giving us an option here. So it is having the values over from the player class. So we need to check in this. So if counts is greater than 3, greater than or equal to 3, we use this one. So that is means the user will enter once, twice, and thrice only. In the 4th round, so the user is given a message to repeat the game again. So to start the game afresh, that is. So we cannot go given this. So if it is more than that one, so we tell the user, sorry, you entered more than the number of times expected. So let's go with our JOptionPane show message dialog. So message dialog, what can we do here? We can even tell the user the value that was expected to be given. So we say, sorry, you entered, this mistake is messing me up everything. So entered so I can put a new line here. The target was go to this. Get the target. Now we declared it to be target now. So give also an option to check if the user can decide to go to repeat, can click yes or else no. It can exit, or we can ask that also. So this one concatenate with the positive sign. So new line. It's not supposed to be shown dialog message, but show confirm dialog, and then this one will ensure such that if the user clicks yes, it will repeat the game, or else No, it will exit again. So this one, if yes, then I need to go out now, and then check the yes option. Yes option. Now after this is all done, I need to exit to get the cam. System dot exit, then and using a 0 here. Now we need to run our program. First of all, we save files. We'll never run the program unless we check the error, unless we call the function from the main method. So within the main method, now we initialize the guess game, that is guess game. This is just a construct of a guessing game class. So dot start. Now you see this function that we started here is being called inside here. So start cam. Now we save our program, but you see there is an error here, and I'm supposed to fix. There was an error here. See, if there is a problem here, it is being iterated. So the error that we had done here is that now we didn't declare this variable, or else we initialize it. So int guess p1 is equal to 0, and then now you see the rate is gone. So we save our program. After you see all these functions, now if you see an error or something rated in red, the program for you is gone. It's not gonna work. So we check all those. Now you see I have no error. See all those, and then to go. Now we need to run the program to test if it can work. So come here, click this button here. If you see I'm hovering through it, but it's telling me now you can run the program. So place this file, this run function here. Do you see now? If I started my game successfully, try to guess a number between 0 and 9. Okay. Now the error occurred because we didn't initialize the class function here. So p1 new player. So then we start processing. I think it's gonna work now. It's running now. You click OK. Now successful now. Now we need to check a value. If I just submit this one, I'm supposed to be given an error. Oops, you must enter value. So sorry to guess you failed. Please try again. Okay, now I'm gonna try again now. And I enter value like 4. It is successful. Sorry to guess failed. Please try again. So okay, I try this third round. I insert value like 2. It's not true. Okay, sorry. Now this is the last round. You need to make sure that this one has to work, because I'm counting only 3 times. The fourth round it's wrong, and it's gonna give me the value, and it exits the program. If I guess a number here, you see, sorry, the guess failed. Please try again. Now let's say it seems that it's not counting. So we need to go back, also check on the program, but the error might have occurred because we need to count only 3 times. So this is where I need to check on. Sorry, if the guess failed, please try again. So int count is greater than or equal to 3. Sorry, need to check this. What might be the problem now? So count, if count 1, the program, remember, it is running up to this point here. We need to check on this. If counts count 1 is greater than or equal to 3, then it's gonna show us that message. Maybe we can check it. We need to check where the error is, where it exceeds. What might be the problem? Let's check. Oh no, I think the error was just here. This value, we didn't use it properly. Now we save it and then we run our program here. We need to check if it is working in one format. So click this one. Okay, go. Please enter a number. Enter 5. It is correct. No. Again, I just give an empty value. You must enter a normal value. So failed. Please try again. So I enter maybe 8. So okay. Taking out. Sorry, I entered the wrong guess more than 3 times. Please start the game afresh. Target number was 9. Would you like to continue? If I click yes, the program, you will have to start the game again afresh, and then in that order. I think we are done in this game development. Thank you.